Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Dear friends, stylish ladies avoid these trends in fall 2025 because they will make you waste your time, spend your money on useless purchases, and fill your wardrobe with clothes that are not suitable for you. So stay with me to see which trends you should avoid and what to replace. This is not a negative approach at all. It is about making smart choices that will make your style always reflect the elegance that you truly deserve. Number 1. Cow print. This pattern was once a huge trend, but it's officially gone for fall 2025. Its roots come from the Western and cowboy-inspired fashion that's seen a resurgence in recent years, from oversized hats and boots to patterned clothing. While it can be fun for fashion shoots or festivals, it's not a great option for everyday chic. For women who are looking for sophistication, this trend can come across as a bit too simple rather than elegant. If you like prints but still want to look classy and modern, leopard and snakeskin prints are great choices. Both, when worn smartly, have a timeless modern look that never goes out of style. Leopard print in neutral or matte tones exudes confidence, while snakeskin instantly adds depth to an outfit with its sleek, luxurious look. Whether on a handbag, shoes, or clothing detail, these prints create a luxurious and chic look without being overdone. Number 2. Fringe details. This year, fringe is making an appearance in the fashion world and in some designer collections. But let's be real, it's one of those trends that rarely makes it into everyday stylish outfits. Rather than enhancing your silhouette, it distracts with extra movement and detail. Fringe ends up looking messy, confused, and sometimes even stage wear-like, which is the exact opposite of elegant. Think boots, blouses, or skirts with lots of fringe. They can easily make you look like you're ready to enter a cowboy show rather than a fancy dinner. But here's the thing. If you really love movement in your clothes, you can use pleated fabrics and pleated dresses, which are very popular this season. Unlike fringe, they add a sense of softness and fluidity to your style without disrupting the overall fit of the outfit. Pleated sleeves, delicate blouses, or dresses with delicate layers convey the same dynamism in a beautiful, romantic, and stylish way. Number 3. Low-rise and baggy jeans. These styles may have a place in street style, but they're far from a wardrobe staple for a stylish woman. Their low-rise and loose cut often create a sloppy, mismatched look, more like a street dance outfit than a sleek silhouette. Rather than elongating the body, they make it look shorter and create volume in the wrong places. If you're looking for comfort, straight, loose, or slim leg styles are much better choices. These cuts create a long, streamlined silhouette without sacrificing comfort, making your figure look more attractive. Darker colors are in the mix for fall 2025. Blue jeans, dark navy, or deep gray instantly convey a sense of sophistication and make your style look more polished with minimal effort. Number 4. Sequin dresses. Sequins seem to quietly re-enter the fashion world every season. Sure, they can be striking under the lights or at a night out, but when it comes to lasting style, too much glitter usually doesn't do any good. Think big silver handbags, sparkly pink skirts, or dresses full of sparkling discs. They might be photogenic, but they're not for everyday wear. Of course, that doesn't mean cutting out sequins entirely. The secret is in subtle choices. Opt for pieces with subtle details and in deep colors like black, burgundy, emerald, or navy. For example, a pencil skirt with delicate sequins paired with a sports jacket or a maxi dress with subtle shimmering patterns can have a controlled sheen that creates an elegant yet cheerful look. Such outfits catch the light beautifully without drawing too much attention, allowing you to look elegant yet modern. Number 5. Barn jackets. While these jackets are functional, they don't really have much to offer in terms of style. Their boxy shape and rough texture tend to create a masculine look and detract from the feminine elegance of the style. They may be useful in rustic settings or for special occasions, but they don't easily translate into stylish everyday wear. If you're looking for a similar but more sophisticated option, suede jackets, cropped trench coats, or tailored wool jackets are ideal choices. These pieces add structure and shape to your style while keeping you warm, making your figure look balanced and modern. The key is to choose a sweater that is structured yet sleek, something that conveys a sense of power without losing its femininity. Number 6. Bermuda jeans and pants. Although they are sometimes seen at fashion shows, they are not the best choice for elegant styles. Their inappropriate length, which is cut just above the knee or mid-thigh, makes the legs look shorter and disrupts the proportions. As a result, they give you a childish and informal look, similar to school or sports uniforms. For a well-groomed woman, this style lacks the elegance and shine needed. Number 7. Fluffy Uggs. They are comfortable, but they have no place in a stylish woman's wardrobe. Their bulky and soft appearance often overpowers the overall outfit, making it look messy. Although they are suitable for home or everyday wear, they turn a well-groomed style into an overly casual and juvenile look. If you are looking for comfort, suede ankle boots, leather boots, or stylish loafers with warm socks are better choices. With these options, you will stay cozy and warm while maintaining your appearance as mature, coordinated, and elegant. Number 8. Wide boots. No one wants their lower legs to look bulky, but that's exactly what this style does. They cut off the leg line and add extra volume, making the style look less elongated and graceful. Especially when paired with a skirt or loose-fitting dress, they can throw off the visual balance and make the outfit look heavy. Instead, classic knee-high boots are the ideal option. They gracefully hug the leg, create a vertical line, and instantly make you look taller and more proportioned. This season, go for leather or suede knee-high boots in timeless colors like black, brown, or beige. These styles are versatile, stylish, and always on trend, and this small change can make a big difference in achieving a polished and beautiful look. Number 9. Sneakerina. Although they've recently made a comeback, the truth is that they don't really fit in with a sophisticated women's wardrobe. The combination of ballet flats with sporty details can sometimes make a look childish or incoherent, as if the shoe doesn't know whether it's sporty or flat. Rather than adding to the appeal, they often disrupt the overall style and detract from its harmony. Many women find that after trying them on, they look more like school or dance shoes for girls than a polished feminine style. Go for sleek, minimalist sneakers, like simple white leather models, classic Adidas or Puma sneakers, or suede-covered sneakers. These options are clean, purposeful, and go well with tailored dresses or midi skirts, striking a balance of comfort and style without sacrificing elegance. And finally, ladies, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future videos. I'd also love to know in the comments section which trends you plan to say goodbye to this season.